Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A51 heating while charging. If your Samsung Galaxy A51 gets hot while charging, don't worry. I'll tell you and show you what you can do to fix it. So starting off, you need to avoid using your phone during charging. Playing games, watching videos or running heavy apps while plugged in creates extra heat and slows charging speed. The second thing, you'll need to make sure to use the original Samsung charger and cable, or a certified adaptive fast charger. Cheaper or low quality chargers can cause overheating and even damage your battery. Step 3. Keep your phone in a cool ventilated place while charging. Avoid placing it on your bed, couch or under a pillow. This trap heat and make your device hotter. The next thing, try removing your case during charging if it's thick or insulated. Some cases hold in heat and taking it off can help your phone cool faster. One more thing, you need to check up for background apps that use too much power. To do this, open up your settings, battery and device care, battery, and click here. In here you can see which apps are using your battery the most. Also, you need to make sure your software is up to date. To do this, also here in device care, check up for software update. Make sure your auto download over Wi-Fi is on, because your software will update automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network. But if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi and use mobile data, open up here, download and install. It's checking up for updates. As you can see, my software is up to date, but if yours is not, you will have a button to download it. So make sure to download. And if your Galaxy A51 still heats up after trying all of this, you can try another charger or outlet to rule out hardware issues. So by following the steps, your phone should charge cooler and more efficiently. So thank you for watching, subscribe.